But you're not far away.
Waziri, karibu sana.
Talk to me before I talk to children.
Otherwise, mine is to say the Children's Act 2022 forbids any private home to have children. They should be brought to this government institution to be taken care of. And we are giving a notice to the private homes that within the next 8 years they should be closed and children to be brought to government owned institution. And our appeal is that we want these children to go back to the society, to go back to the family setups, to go back to their relatives, to go back, to anyone who would want to adopt, so long as they follow the correct procedure. So as a ministry, ours is to ensure that the facilities that they use here are provided for, the construction that is ongoing is completed, and mine is to lobby for funding to ensure that that building is finished so that we can house the children in better facilities and in a more spacious place.